Hi, first grade. Tomorrow is such a big day. You officially start first grade. It has been such a long time since we've been together at Berean Christian. And so it's going to be just real fun to see your friends. Some of you will be working with us online, and then some of you will be in the classroom in the morning, some in the afternoon. But it'll be just fun to get started back into the school year. I hope you had an awesome summer. And I wanted to start our year by reading a fun book to you, and it's called The Night Before First Grade. And I think you'll enjoy this book. It kind of reminds me of another story that you may know, and I think you'll figure it out as I keep reading. So, since tomorrow's our big day, I'm going to read The Night Before First Grade. Was the night before first grade. I kissed my dog Clover. School's starting tomorrow because summer is over. Into my bucket went markers and pens. I hung on a new outfit. It matched my friend Jen's. I spoke not a word, but went straight to the shelf and filled up my lunch box. I made my lunch myself. Oh, Mom and Dad are happy about that. I can't wait to see Jenny, I told my big brother. I hope that our desks are right next to each other. That night I was nestled all snug in my bed, while visions of jungle gyms danced in my head. The next day at breakfast Dad made such a fuss. What a big girl you are to be taking the bus. Hurry, Penny, said Mom as I turned down our street. Over here, shouted Jenny. I saved you a seat. Her friend Jenny saved her a seat in the bus. That's pretty cool. At school, kindergartners stood outside in the hall. They all looked so young. Were we ever that small? While they clung to their parents, we hugged Miss Sunrise. You two grew so tall, she said with surprise. Ding! Rang the school bell. We made such a clatter as we raced to our classroom. Then Jen said, What's the matter? The principal told us that some changes were made. We have some new students, so we split the first grade. Hi, Penny, said my teacher. You're in here with me. But yipes! Jenny wasn't. She was in room 33. We waved goodbye sadly and said, See you later. I had to be brave because I'm a first grader. Soon we sat in a circle and we each said our name. Then we played 20 questions and I won the game. Mr. Barr is so funny. He tells jokes and he juggles. And our class pet's so cute. It's a bunny named Snuggles. I knew most of the kids except for just a few, so I went and said hi to a girl that was new. We sat side by side and made pictures with noodles. We laughed when we saw we both made noodle poodles. We both have pet turtles and love turquoise blue, and pistachio ice cream is her favorite too. I can't wait till you meet my best friend at lunch. I just know that you'll both like each other a bunch. The lunchroom was buzzing so loud and so busy and loud. We sat down at the table. Was Jen in the crowd? And what to my wandering eyes, there in line was Jen with a new friend who looked just like mine. Their eyes, how they twinkled behind matching frames. They had curly pigtails and they had rhyming names. I'm Tina. I'm Nina. Our new friends were twins, and though school's just begun, I know first grade will be twice as fun. I hope you enjoyed that book. It kind of reminded me of a story. Did it remind you of Twas the Night Before Christmas? It reminded me of that. But this school year, we have a lot of fun things planned. We're going to definitely practice social distancing. So tomorrow you'll see me in my mask, and we'll be separate. We won't be on the carpet during this phase of social distancing in school, but we have lots of fun things planned, and I can't wait for you to meet some new friends this year and see the great things God has in store for us. So I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Have a good night's sleep.